Every year, thousands of earthquakes happen around the world. But what exactly are earthquakes? How do they happen? An earthquake is one of many catastrophic events that happen around the world. Earthquakes happen when large pieces of the Earth's crust, not that kind of crust, these are called tectonic plates, that shift or move a little bit, causing them to snap and therefore shake. Well, today we're here to talk about an earthquake that occurred right here in Alaska. Now, this earthquake was the biggest earthquake ever recorded in North America.
Everything was in chaos.
I'd never seen anything that destructive that close up.
In 1964, Alaska was shaken by the largest U.S. earthquake ever recorded, magnitude 9.2.
See, I told you. What happened was, when the Pacific plate, this plate right here, slid under the North American plate, like that, caused the ground to shake, and it only lasted 4 minutes. Now 4 minutes may not seem like a lot of time, but if we actually think about it in the perspective of all those people in there, 4 minutes is quite a while. It was 4 minutes, just 4 minutes, 240 seconds, 600 and a lot of milliseconds. The earthquake was so strong, it even wobbled Seattle's Space Needle, 1,200 miles away. In fact, the earthquake's power registered all over the U.S., except Rhode Island, Delaware, and Connecticut. Believe it or not, earthquakes are quite common in Alaska, but the reason the 1964 earthquake was so massive is because when the Pacific plate shifted that way, it was all a large moving landmass at one time. But the Alaskan earthquake wasn't the only thing that hit. Not only did it strike as big as it did, but also led to tsunamis. Now, tsunamis are another type of catastrophic event. Tsunami is a series of large waves, a little bit bigger than that. Which started because of the earthquake, caused massive damage in Washington, Oregon, and California. The number of deaths in the event reached 131 people. Now this may seem like old news because it was 56 years ago, but it's really not. This earthquake and plenty more catastrophic events out there help scientists learn more about our planet and how it's constantly changing. Every part of our Earth plays a role, whether we like it or not. That's just life. So there you have it, everything you need to know about the 1964 earthquake. Thanks for watching, and happy Halloween!